Namaste, children. Welcome back to mathematics class. I hope you all are doing good. Children, in today's class, we are going to learn a new chapter, that is, chapter 7 Money. Money in the form of metal pieces are called as coins. Commonly used coins are 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, and 1 rupee coin. Money in the form of paper pieces are called as notes. Commonly used notes are 2000 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 5 rupees note. In page number 87, question is observe a 2000 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 100 rupees note and a 50 rupees note and a 10 rupees note and answer the following questions. The first question is, what is the color of a 500 rupees note? Is this a 500? No, this is 2020 rupees note. This one 200 rupees note. This one 100 100 rupees note. 50 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. Yes, this is 500 rupees note. Now tell me the color of this note. In which color it is? It is in green color. So we are going to write here as green. Now, the second question is, which is longer, 500 rupees note or 100 rupees note? 500 rupees note and a 100 rupees note. Now tell me, which is long? 500 rupees note. So, we are going to write rupees 500. In the same way, observe all the notes and write the remaining questions. And the heading here is observe a 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and a 1 rupee coin and answer the questions below. Here is 10 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. No, by observing this, we have to answer these questions. What metal are these coins made of? Few coins are made of stainless steel and some are made of copper. Okay. Now, B. Which is the head and which is the tail? Head. See this 5 rupees coin? You can see a three-faced lion here. We call it as head. And back side, this is called as tail. Which is biggest coin? Now tell me which is biggest here. 10 rupee, 1 rupee or 5 rupees? 10 rupee coin is biggest coin. Name the language written on the coins. Observe the coin. It is written in Hindi and English. Now, is the year mentioned on all the coins? Just check. Here, the coin here mentioned is 2007. And for 5 rupees coin, it is mentioned as 2001. In the same way, you have to observe 10 rupees, 5 rupees and 1 rupees coin and complete this question. Notes and coins are called as Indian currency. Now, let us learn how to read and write money. Indian money is represented by rupees and paise. We write rupee as and paise as P. Children, remember 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Children, we already know the symbol of rupee is this. Now, shall we write 20 rupees into figure? 20 rupees. 20, 2, 0 rupees. We have to use this symbol before 20. Rupees 20. How we are going to write 30 rupees? 30. 30. Rupees. We are going to use this symbol. Right. Now tell me how we are going to write 5 rupees in figure. Rupees 5. Tell me how we are going to write 100 rupees in figures. 100. Yes. So children, now shall we write this figure into words? How much is this? 5 rupees. 5. This is symbol for which? Rupee. Yes, 5 rupees. Now tell me how we are going to write this. Yes, 20 rupees. Now shall we write? Read it aloud. 66 rupees.
Children, now shall we learn how to write rupees and paise together?
Now look at this question. 5 rupees
And 5 paise.
we have to write these words into figures. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. Symbol is this.
And 5 paise.
Write 5. So we are not going to write here as P, but we are going to keep a dot before 5. This is in figure now. Got it? Now let us see the second one. 12 rupees and 10 paise. 12 rupees. 12 rupees. And 10 paise. Write 10 paise. Are we going to write P here? No. Before 10, 1010, we are going to keep a dot.
Children, in page number 89, the question is write in figures. First question is 20 rupees and 50 paise. They have already written the answer. 20 rupees symbol has given. 50 paise, 50 paise is there, so we are going to keep a dot before 50. Right, in the same way 200 rupees and 25 paise. 200, first we are going to write 200 rupees, symbol should be before 200, and 25 paise is there, so we are going to keep a dot before 25. Got it? In the same way, let us see question C. 36 rupees and 75 paise. Shall we write 36 in figure? 36 rupees, symbol should be before 36, and 75 paise, 75 paise. So, dot should become before 75. In the same way, complete these two. Write in words. They have already given the figure and they have written the answer in words. Now, this question is 10 rupees 45 paise. What is this? 10 rupees. T-E-N 10 R-U-P-E-E-S rupees and 45 paise. Now let us see the next one. Rupees 20 and 0 paise. So here we are not going to mention paise in words here because it is 0. So the figure says it is rupees 20. So T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 R-U-P-E-E-S rupees. Now let us see question number D. Rupees 250.50 50 paise. 250 rupees 50 paise. Rupees and 50 paise. Right. In the same way, complete question E. Children, in page number 91, we are going to add the money. What is the total amount? They have given us 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 10 rupees note. So we are going to write these notes into figures. They have already written 100, 50, 20, 10. So now we are going to add this figure. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 8. So here 1 plus, there is nothing here. So we are going to count it as 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. Simple. When there is nothing, we are just going to write the same number here. So now total is 180 rupees. Now let us see the second one. Here, this is 500 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. You have to write just below 500. 100 rupees note. You should not forget to write this symbol. And this is 50 rupees note. This is 2 digit. 50. 5, 0, 50. Again 50 rupees note. This is 5 rupees note. Now we are going to add all these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now second. This is in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now see, let us count the numbers which are under tens place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10. We are going to carry forward 1 here. It is 10. So I have written 0 in ones tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the total amount is rupees 705. Right. In the same way, complete the remaining 2. Children, now we are going to add the money. Here the question is, we are going to add 8 rupees 50 paise with 6 rupees 0 paise. It is very easy. As you know additions, we are going to do these sums the same. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now 8 plus 6 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So how much we have now? 14 rupees 50 paise. Children, now we are going to add 16 rupees 45 paise with 25 rupees and 11 paise. Now see here, 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 we are going to write here and 1 we are going to carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So total how much we have now? 41 rupees and 56 paise. Now children, we are going to subtract 18 rupees 0 paise from 37 rupees 50 paise. As you already know how to do subtractions, it is very easy. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 8 is, no, we can't subtract here. So we are going to borrow 1 from here.
So now it is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have 19 rupees 50 paise. Children, now we are going to subtract 10 rupees 40 paise from 22 rupees 50 paise. It is easy. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have 12 rupees 10 paise. In the same way, practice subtractions and additions. Children, in page number 93, they have given us statement sums. Solve the following. Let us read the first question. Mummy gave me 20 rupees and Daddy gave me 15 rupees. How much money do I have? We are going to represent these statement sum into figures. 20 rupees. Who gave 20 rupees? Mummy. And Daddy gave 15 rupees. So how much I have together? We are going to add this. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have spent 35 rupees. Now let us take the second one. I brought bread for 8 rupees 50 paise, toffees for 10 rupees 0 paise and chocolates for 20 rupees 0 paise. How much money did I spend? So we are going to write these statement sum into figures. First write rupees and paise. 8 rupees 50 paise. 8 rupees 50 paise. 10 rupees 0 paise. 20 rupees 0 paise. Now we are going to add them together. 0, 0, 0. Always 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 zeros. So if we add 2 zeros, we get 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, how much money did I spend? 38 rupees 50 paise. In the same way, complete remaining problems. Children, we already know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Now, if we have 50 paise, then how many coins we need to make 1 rupee? If we have 50 paise, we need 2 coins, 2 50 paise coins to make 100 paise. See how many paise? 50 plus 50 is how much? 100. 50 paise plus 50 paise make 100 paise, and we already know 100 paise is 1 rupee. So how many coins we have? 2 coins, right? Now tell me, if we have 25 paise, present we don't have 25 paise, but previously our parents, our grandparents used to use 25 paise. If we have 25 paise, then how many 25 paise coins we need to make 100 paise? Yes, see here, we need 4 25 paise coins to make 100 paise. 25, 25, how much we get? We get 50 paise. Again 25 plus 25, we get 50 paise. Now if we are going to add 50 paise plus 50 paise, how much we are getting? We are getting 100 paise, that is equal to 1 rupee. So for making 1 rupee, how many 25 paise we need? We need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 25 paise makes 1 rupee. So for 1 rupee, we need 4 25 paise. But for 2 rupees, how many need? 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 25 paise. So we need 8 25 paise to make 2 rupees. In page number 94, we got worksheet. And the first question is fill in the blanks. dash paise make 1 rupee. 100 paise make 1 rupee. Dash 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. How many? 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. 2 10 rupees notes make 1 10 rupee note. If we have the same 10 rupee note, one more, how much it will be there? 20 rupees. 2 10 rupees note make 20 rupees. 2 5 rupees coins make 10 rupees. Dash 25 paise coins make 2 rupees. 8 25 paise coins make rupees 2. Now let us read the question number 3. What is the total amount? You have to write 100 plus 50 is how much? 150. 150 plus 5 is 155. 500 plus 100 is 600. 600 plus 100 is 700. 700 plus 50 is 750 rupees. Right, in the same way, complete this.